Hi everyone, the topic is Spatial and Multimedia Database. Spatial database. It is a database that is optimized for storing and querying a data that represent objects defined in a geometric space. That is, enhanced to store and access spatial data or a data that defines a geometric space. Spatial database allow the representation of simple geometric objects such as point, line and polygons. Picture shows the representation of point, line and polygons. These data are often associated with geographic locations and features or constructed features like cities. Some spatial database handle more complex data like 3D object, topological coverage and linear network. A picture is displayed to understand about spatial database. A spatial indexing is a data structure allow for accessing a spatial object efficiently. Geographic location can be analysis with spatial types and indexing method. Types of spatial data. Point data. Simplest form of representing a spatial data. No space and no associated area or volume. Consists of collection of points. Region data. Has a spatial extended with location and boundaries. It uses geometric approximation constructed using a line, segment, polygon, etc. called vector data. Types of spatial queries. First one, spatial range queries related with region data. Find all the cities within 50 km of Salem. Nearest neighbor queries. Example, find 10 nearest cities to the Salem related with point data. Spatial join query. Use both point and region data. It is more complex and expensive to evaluate. Example, find pairs of cities within 100 km of each other and find all the cities near the river. Application of spatial database. First one, geographic information system. Example, map. It shows the geographic location of cities, lakes, mountain, etc. Second one, multimedia information system. Video, audio, text also required a spatial data. It use a nearest neighbor query and point data. CAD, computer aided design. Use a range and spatial queries to design the surface of the object. Next topic is multimedia database. Multimedia database is the collection of interrelated multimedia data that includes text, graphics, images, animations, video, audio, etc. The framework that manages different types of multimedia data which can be stored, delivered and utilized in different ways is known as Multimedia Database Management System. Contents of Multimedia Database Management System. Media data, that is the actual data representation of an object. Media format data, information such as sampling rate, resolution, encoding scheme, etc. The format of the media data after it goes through the acquisition, processing and encoding phase. Media keyword data, keyword description relating to the generation of data. It is also known as a content descriptive data. Example, date, time and place of the recording data. Media feature data, content dependent data such as the distribution of color, kinds of texture and different shapes of present in the data. There are three classes of multimedia database which are static media, dynamic media and dimensional media. Types of multimedia application. Repository application. A large amount of multimedia data as well as metadata that is stored for retrieval purpose. Example, satellite image, engineering drawings, radiology scanned pictures. Presentation application. They involve delivering of multimedia data subject to a temporal constraints. Example, real-time editing analysis on video and audio. Collaborative work using multimedia information. It involves executing a complex task by merging drawings and changing notification. Example, intelligent healthcare network. Area in which multimedia database is applied. Documents and record management, that is, industries and business that keep detailed records and variety of documents. Example, insurance claim record. Knowledge dissemination. Multimedia database is a very effective tool for knowledge dissemination, in terms of providing several resources, example electronic books or e-books, education and training. CAD learning materials can be designed using a multimedia resource that is called digital libraries. Real-time controlling and monitoring. Variety of very executive means for monitoring and controlling a complex task. Example, manufacturing operation control.